The KerbDrain E600 range has channels ideal for roundabouts, junctions, and larger catchment areas. The channels can be used in conjunction with ACO's Load Class D 400 units. Let's take a closer look at KerbDrain E. Its E600 loading ensures that the system is suitable for areas subjected to higher wheel loads. ACO KerbDrain E has an array of features. Connecting different channels within the KerbDrain family has now been made easy. A transition unit enables a connection between KerbDrain E and KerbDrain D channels. KerbDrain E+. The channel range has been designed for larger catchment areas such as dual carriageways and distribution hubs. Its sizable inlets ensure rainwater is quickly and effectively dispersed from roads, while its larger channel body is designed to offer greater hydraulic capacity. The KerbDrain E600 channel bodies offer different capacities. ACO KerbDrain E+ has an array of features. Connection between KerbDrain E+ and KerbDrain E channel bodies can be achieved with a gully unit. In summary, ACO KerbDrain E and E+ features offer a full package of integrated combined curb and drainage channels for highways projects.